Hello, and welcome to the DETV Commercial Creation Tape. This tape will explain how to make an effective commercial in a few easy steps. Step 1. Gather important information and explain it concisely. Information includes dates, times, locations, and prices. Make sure not to spend too much time on each piece. Be quick with it, but not too quick with it. Step 2. Make the commercial engaging. Make your commercial engaging by using an energetic voiceover. Back up the voiceover with graphics so the viewer can see and hear. To top it off, add some fitting music to support it. Step 3. Review. Watch your commercial as a viewer, not as an editor. If you can understand what your commercial is trying to get across, then great. You have completed the DETV Commercial Creation Tape.